Anna and Krystian are special. They don't just maintain their relationship flourishes. They live every day as it's their first date. They do that because they know how lucky they are to have each other, and they do everything in their power to never have to live a life without one another. I have not seen another two people more perfect for each other than these two. I cannot put into words how much I value and look up to your relationship. You pick each other each time, and I hope to one day find someone who picks me each time and loves me for myself as you two love each other for being yourself. So cheers to Anna, Krystian, the Wałżaszek, and the Kuronowski families.
When I've lost my way, when I need a compass, find me always. I knew that I'd find you, and I love you forever. I'm undone, I'm the lucky one, and
Anna, receive this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity, in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Krystian, receive this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity, in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
you take my hand and you look in my eyes. It's the best day of my life. I'm wasting We keep on dancing, the moon up above. Star-spangled memories that capture our love. We are together forever we run. We keep on dancing, we keep on dancing.
And now here we are, 6 to 7 years later, you're finally marrying my sister. You found yourself a really good one. Anya, you're one of the most beautiful people inside and out, so don't forget that. You two complement each other so well. I know that you have a beautiful future ahead of you, and I wish you a lifetime of happiness.
Away. Hey, I keep moving on. I never wanna be alone. Hey, you're on my mind. Just need a little bit of time.
How for nearly half my life you've been there for me, another shoulder to lean on. You broke me out of my shell and helped me become the man I am today. And most importantly though, together, we are an amazing duo in bullying Krystian to getting us by pizza and ice cream for 90 Day Fiancé. So in all, thank you everyone for coming out tonight.
We keep on dancing. We keep on dancing. We keep on dancing.
They say you don't marry the person you can live with, but to marry the person you can live without. And that sums up Anna and Krystian. Let's all raise a glass to the new husband and wife, Krystian and Anna Kuronowski.
Thank you for making me the best I can be, both professionally and personally. Thank you for being my personal chef during all of quarantine. Thank you for being the best cat mom to Lion and Tito. But most importantly, thank you for making our home a home. And I am very much looking forward to our journey ahead. Kocham cię.